Welcome to 13415 Hunting Birds Lane. A ranch-style, 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home in Charlotte, North Carolina, in the Creekshire Village community. For more information or to schedule a viewing, please visit our website at www.touchpointpm.com. Let's take a look inside. This property features an open concept kitchen, dining, and great room, neutral colors, and lots of windows for natural light. Kitchen has tiled backsplash, all stainless steel appliances, and lots of cabinet space for storage. As we go outside, you will find a huge backyard with a paved patio, great for entertaining or relaxing on the exterior. Right next to the kitchen, you will conveniently find the access to a two-car garage. Big primary bedroom with a private bathroom, double sinks, garden tub, stand-up shower, and walk-in closet. Bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 3. Laundry room with electric dryer connection. And bedroom number 4. All bedrooms have closet space and a shared full bathroom with tub and shower combo. This home is located near shops and restaurants in Rivergate and Fort Mill. Come and make this your new home. Make it a great day.